Okay, Lee, this is going to be the third video, which is going to be the exhaust rattle, and it's going to be under the hood with the ticking noise. Hopefully it is cool. Alright. It's going away so quickly. As you can see, it's a completely cool operating temp. Is it ticking? Now, normally it is a little bit louder in the exhaust for a longer period of time. I'm not quite sure why it's so quiet now. I'll try to make a video later on. Like the weather coming in, so I wanted to get an adequate video before it rains. This truck is pretty cold, as you saw the dash. This is what it sounds like normally after it's warmed up, so I don't really know why it's this quiet this soon. Ticking noises, like I said, really good fun for a long period of time. I forgot to show you while it's still making the noise. I have to show you the trunk space. Nitrous was hooked up, however, the bottle is not in the car. I took it out for obvious reasons. It's suede. As you can see, you don't have a lot of room. Here's my arm. Volgadio 12-inch sub with a Kicker 300.1 amp. As you can see, ticking has subsided. Still stands true. Usually in Ohio, if the car has seen any kind of snow, you would see rust, I'm sorry. But you do not see any rust at all. I'll go ahead and show you what the car sounds like from the distance. Of course you can hear the engine, but no noises. Here's the exhaust. Very quiet humming. I'll leave it here for a little rev so you can have an idea of what it sounds like. in. Here, for clarification. And here's the exhaust one more time. You can see it's still cool. I usually let that at least get to 175, 180 before I drive it. So I let it sit. When this gets to, this is warm up. When this has one missing, that's when I let it drive. So anything before that, any RPMs before that in which those lights are there, it's just a safety precaution. Don't rev it past that. So when those go away, it comes to right here and then it pauses and it stays there. And it's essentially rev limiter. So as you can see, the current mileage is 102,296. So I have put a few miles on it since that post. That's in relation to what we talked about, the speed sensor. That right there is your tire pressure sensor light. So it does need windshield wiper fluid, and I do plan to put that in. That's frivolous, but I will make sure that is done. So yeah, there you go.